a research team led by Dr. Anthony Perath of the main US Particle Research Center, the Los Alamos Laboratories, studied millions of rock art images worldwide. The study, published in 2003, was an astonishing revelation and affirmation of countless world traditions on celestial phenomena which accompanied the recent planetary Titanomachies, as those stated by Plato. They started just after the beginning of the current warm interglacial period 15,000 years ago. Then, a series of space damoclean swords, electric superstorms caused lethal mutations, together with global auroras, when there was light all the 24 hours on Earth for weeks. The magma was stimulated, a process that was recently approved, and a 3,000 years long new glacial period followed. The ancient warnings for protection, then in caves, from devastating space threats were confirmed. The altruistic, peaceful humanity lived warless until then. But some of those who survived, but not recovered from the shock, became aggressive, and after new superstorms, their successors gradually started the wars, but we now have high hopes that we'll stop them. Before the last superstorm that overtook us in July 2012 and could blow up all nuclear plants, a proposal to forecast and repulse space threats was made. Then NASA was forced to establish a planetary defense office, and other countries got interested, but very slowly until we hastened them. While the world and humankind still suffers today from incurable at present consequences of those disasters, a selfless, anti-fatalistic proposal for electromagnetic Earth shielding was made in 2011, and its implementation has already been started by a space research group led by Dr. Ashur Bailey, chairman of the UNESCO Space Science Committee, Professor Pelton, former dean of the NASA ESA International Space University, and the University of Texas professor Alexander. This group promotes worldwide the proposal for international truce and repelling space threats, with colliding laser beams to be activated when we need to produce powerful plasma balls to repel such superstorms, causing downpours and stimulating magma, meteorites, asteroids or comets, whose strong electric field may cause a devastating domino explosion of all nuclear, and also a devastating reversal of Earth's magnetic poles. The sooner we spread the solution, the sooner it will be implemented for the peaceful and optimistic survival of all humankind.